In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Manychat account step by step. By the end of this session, you will be well equipped to dive into the world of automated messaging on Manychat. This process will take around 5 minutes, so let's begin right away. First, let's get started by heading over to the Manychat website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL manychat.com. This will take you straight to the Manychat homepage. Once you are there, look for a button that either says Get Started Free or Sign Up Free. This button is prominently displayed on the homepage for easy access. Click on it. It's the gateway to setting up your new account and starting your journey with Manychat. Next, you'll need to sign up using your preferred platform. Manychat supports several login options catering to different automation needs. You have a few platforms to choose from depending on your specific requirements. If you're focusing on messenger bots, select Facebook. For Instagram automation, click on Instagram. If you're looking to automate through WhatsApp, it's available as well. Additionally, if you want to explore more communication channels, options for SMS and email are also supported. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to grant Manychat the necessary permissions to access your account. Don't worry, this step ensures that the integration works seamlessly. Once you've signed up, the next step involves connecting your business page. You'll be prompted to select and connect either your Facebook or Instagram business page. It's essential to choose the correct page where you want your automation to operate. Simply select the appropriate page and then click on Connect. Please ensure that you have admin access to the page you choose. Without admin access, you'll face restrictions that can hinder setting up effective automation. After connecting your business page, the system will ask you for some additional details. Enter your business name, which is essentially your brand identity. Next, provide the category that best describes your business. This helps target your services or products more accurately. Finally, add a brief description of your business. This short description will give others a quick snapshot of who you are and what you do. With these steps completed, your Manychat account is now set up. You'll be directed to your Manychat dashboard where you can start exploring various features, create automated message flows, and customize your communication strategies. The dashboard is your central hub for managing and monitoring your automated interactions. Congratulations on setting up your Manychat account. You're now ready to leverage the power of chat automation to engage your audience effectively. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to explore more features and make the most out of Manychat's capabilities to enhance your business communications.